SamCart is an easy-to-use platform for creating online stores and managing sales, primarily designed for selling digital products, services, and subscriptions. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use SamCart. Sign up and log in. Go to SamCart and sign up for an account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can manage your products, sales pages, and payments. Create a product. In the product section, click Add New Product. Choose the type of product you're selling. Set the product price, description, and payment options. Add the product image or media if necessary. Design a checkout page. SamCart allows you to design beautiful checkout pages for your products. Choose a template or customize your checkout page with elements like logo, product image, and discount codes. Use SamCart's drag and drop editor to personalize the page's layout, ensuring it's aligned with your branding. Set up payment integration. Connect your payment gateway under the payment settings to accept payments from customers. Launch your product. Once your checkout page is set up, click Publish. You will receive a link to share with your customers or integrate the checkout page into your website or marketing funnels. Track sales and analytics. Use SamCart's built-in reporting tools to track conversions, sales, and customer behavior.